Hello all, it's Aaron here. Oh, can you feel it? It's that time of year. Yep, the holiday season is truly upon us. Let me count out. There's Thanksgiving Day, Christmas, and New Year, which means exciting times are coming. And what better way to send your well wishes and holiday cheer to your friends, family, and loved ones than with a free Christmas card. So let's go. Take a look at what I've got right here. Now, I love the holiday and festive season. It just fills me with hope and joy. But like every year, I always want to send out holiday cards, but with my own personal touch. Well, where can you get free Christmas card templates and customize them? Maybe that's been a challenge in the past, but never fear, Wondershare is here to save the day. So in this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own personalized Christmas cards using PDF Element and their amazing templates. All of the Christmas cards are available to download. They are fully printable and editable. So be sure to use templates for, New Year, Lunar New Year, Thanksgiving, and any other holidays too. So ready for our free Christmas cards making ideas? Let's get to it. So if you haven't done so already, first make sure to download PDF Element, which you can do from the official website. And once you have PDF Element open, go over to the template tab over here. And as you can see, there are a range of card templates already available from special occasions, greetings, resumes, invoices, etc. And I want to share some holiday cheer with my family, so let's choose one Christmas template. So I'm gonna go over to card. So I think I'll go with this one here. You have the option to download as it is, or you can hit edit now to personalize it first. So I think I'll hit edit now. So here is our template all loaded up. And it looks really great. And as you can see, each element is editable, including all of the text, and in some of the templates, the images as well. So whether you want to make your family laugh with a more light-hearted style or go for a more sincere approach, it's down to you. So let me go over how to do that. So first, inserting an image is very simple. All you have to do is make sure you're in the edit section and click on add image. I'm going to include a Christmas image of myself and my wife. And just like that, the image appears. You can resize the image if needed, and you can place it. So I think the bottom corner actually might be the best place for this one. Now, in terms of editing your greeting text, all you have to do is click on the box. You can highlight all of the text here, and I'm going to write something here. So to adjust the font size, simply click on the box and Control A to highlight all of your text, or you can also drag your mouse over all of the text. And then this box will come up and you can simply manually choose your font size, or you can also hit plus and minus. You can also change the font here if you need to. You can change the color and add things such as bold, italics, underline, or strike through. So that looks great to me. I think I finished with that one. Once you're done, PDF Element gives you a number of different options of what to do with your card now that it's ready. So the first thing we can do is just save this as a PDF. So simply hit File in the top left corner here, Save As, and it will automatically default to PDF. Hit Save and your PDF will automatically save. You can of course print the Christmas card. So simply hit File again, and go to print. Select your printer from the drop-down menu. I don't actually have a printer connected right now, but it would appear here. Choose how many copies you want. You can also change it from gray print or stick to color, and then simply hit print. We can also share this digitally online. You can go to File, head over to Share, and here we can directly upload this onto a Dropbox, Google Drive, Wondershare's Cloud, OneDrive, and Box. So for example, if I click on Wondershare Cloud, hit upload, wait for the upload progress to complete, and once it's completed, just hit OK. Finally, we can save it as a range of different formats. So to do this, just hit File and Export to, and here we have a range of different formats we can choose. Everything from Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, an image file, text, EPUB, HTML, RTF, PDF/A, and HWP. So for example, if we were to choose an image file, now you can choose some different image files here like JPEG, PNG, BMP, GIF, etc. For now, I'll stick with the regular JPEG and click save. That will then convert it for you, and then you can hit open to open that file. And there is our finished JPEG. And we are pretty much done. Now remember that a lot of these personalized Christmas card images are completely free. You can even share your cards digitally through social media like this. So here I am on Facebook. I'm going to upload this Christmas card. Okay. So here's my Christmas post, and for sure I'm going to share this a few days before Christmas Day. So actually, getting free Christmas card templates is just a piece of cake. PDF Element for Windows provides many different templates for your individual needs. No matter if you want to create a business poster, a flyer, holiday cards, invoice, invitations, planners, or resumes. You can find out and personalize what you need in the template more. You can get tons of free PDF templates. All you need to do is download PDF Element for Windows. You'll find links in the description box below. In addition, if you are a paid PDF Element user, you can get more access to even more premium templates. But for me, the free templates are good enough for now. So once again, a huge thank you to all of our PDF Element users around the world. And don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and follow PDF Element on social media. Links are in the description box below. We will keep you updated with more exciting videos. And if you have any other Christmas card ideas, well, you're welcome to let us know down below, and wish you all the very best for the upcoming holiday seasons. See you next time.